go. There you go. This might be southbound. Yeah. I don't know. I'm not sure which train this is, but I had two engines. Whoa, two engines. Forward. Gotta be westbound, I think. Unless it's south, I don't know. There's a lumber car. I'm not sure which train this is. It's black. Yeah, it's a black train. M399 anyway. CN M399 westbound train. Yep. Big ol' west. That's a one-stop train. Cool. Here. I was warming up. Darn, I was warming up in the car and the train came out a second. Sorry about that. No, that's a big one. That is a big train. Wow. Sorry, I missed some cars after I zoomed in. This recorder? Yeah. One camera recording, that's good. You may stop. Sorry, I was doing something. Yeah, this is CN westbound turning on the corn shop. It's CN westbound turning on the corn shop. This is a reciprocal car. Cool. That's a big train. Now, he's big. You might stop. But you can't go west. Towards Emmett, so kinda cool. I have a decent lift. I don't think so. It's a really long train. The signal was green, red, red. Yep. That signal up there was green, red, red. There was a yellow, red signal behind us, so. Because this train can go park all the way to Griswold and do customs and crew change after first, so. Kinda cool. It's a long train. He's big. That is a big train, holy cow. After this train, I'm going to warm up and wait till the eastbound comes, okay? Eastbound can turn its light on. And I'll have time to cut here, okay? This is so cold out, it makes it hard. You know? Tired of this winter weather. That's a nice sunset right there. Pinkish color. Looks nice, look at that. Nice view. It's a long train. Yeah. I'm reading the graffiti. Still going, huh? The end might be coming up there. It is, I think. It is, I can't tell. Sorry I'm moving around, it's just cold. Good when we got the tripod camera out. And it's still going. Nice. That's repeated. Going down, you can do like that full time. That might be the end right there. Yeah, there it is. There it goes. That's the end. That is a big train, holy crap. There it goes. It's gonna go west eventually. Alright, Port Huron, Michigan. I'm gonna go warm up.